Yes, the types of candidates we're looking at for the Wendy's company are concentrated in the HVAC and refrigeration field. We need a Type 1 and Type 2 EPA certification, and those skills that come through the troubleshooting of HVAC and refrigeration also transfer over to our cooking equipment side, where most of the work is done within our team. There is a lot of growth opportunity. Our technicians can come in very unskilled, starting as a preventive maintenance technician, where they can work their way up to a facilities technician, and the third level is a senior facilities technician. Once they've spent the time in the van and in the field and they feel like they want to get into management, there are opportunities to move into management. I myself started as a facilities technician in 2005 and have worked my way into the director of facilities position for the 400 restaurants.